Welcome to Unit B of Photoshop. The first thing you have to do is open up the Adobe Photoshop program that I've already opened here. If you forgot how to do that, go back to the Unit A handouts and follow the instructions. We have to open a file, and your project files are going to be stored in a special folder on the school computer. Please ask your teacher where that folder is in case you forgot, but I will be opening them up from my project folder, which is stored on my hard drive, and this folder is going to be different. It's going to be different than the folder you're going to be using. Make sure that the folder you choose on your computer is the Unit B folder, because we're now doing Unit B of Photoshop, and the file that we want to open is called PSB-1. Okay, PSB-1. You open that up. Now, once you've opened it up, it's very important that you save this file on your USB drive. You save it right away so that any changes you make to the file will be saved on your USB, and it will not affect the file that's stored on the school computer. So I'm going to ask you to go to File, Save As, and in the Save In box, it should say right now the Unit B folder that's on the school computer, but I'd like you to click the down arrow next to the Save In box and locate the removable disk that is your USB drive. My screen says removable disk F. Yours might say removable disk E. So click that, and once I selected removable disk F, you can see that the vacation file I created in Unit A is still there. So that means I've selected the correct location. So I'd like you to change the name from PSB1 to Chili Shop. And once you've changed the name and chosen the removable disk as the location, click Save. And that name has now been changed to Chili Shop, and you can see that it's reflected up here in the title bar of that document. Okay, so one last thing that we have to do for this exercise is there is a button right here. Follow the arrow. Okay, that button is called the default foreground and background colors button. Okay, notice that right now on the screen here, it's white on black. The white's on top of black. But if I click this button, it sets it back to the default, which should be black on white. Okay, so black on white is the default foreground and background colors, and it's selected and it's reset to this pair of colors by clicking this button. Okay, we're now finished this exercise.